Alright guys, I'm going to try to make this next video real fast for you, like under 5 minutes. So if you have questions, you might have to go back and pause and stuff, okay? Number 23, the first thing you need to do is multiply m to the negative 6th, n to the negative 9, times 2n m to the 3rd, all over 2m to the negative 2. We don't have any zeros or anything, so I can take these negatives and move them where they need to be. Before I move them, I'm going to leave all my stuff, all this stuff that I didn't touch, alone. Then I'm going to move this m squared up. I'm going to move this m to the 6th down, and this n to the 9th down. So now, as you can see, I've got rid of everything. So what can I simplify first? I always do coefficients. 2 and 2 is, that's just gone. Up here, I've got m to the 3 and m to the 2. Let's combine those. Let's leave this n. We're not touching it. M to the 3rd and m to the squared is just m to the 5th, right? Because we're just adding. There's no parentheses or anything like that. We're just adding. M to the 6th, n to the 9th. I didn't do anything here other than get rid of my 2's and combine my m's. That's all I did here. Then I can combine across my line. I've got m to the 6th and m to the 5, which tells me 6 minus 5 is 1, and I put it on the bottom because 6 is bigger than 5. And then I've got n to the 1 and 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, and I put it on the bottom because 9 is bigger than 1. And you guys know that if there's nothing up top, I put a 1. Okay? Now, I want everybody to pay a lot of attention right here on number 24. Here's why. People always try to distribute and all this stuff. Why? What is anything to the 0? It's 1. I don't need to do anything. That's the whole answer, 1. If you see a 0 on the outside, that means the whole answer on the inside is 1. That's easy. Don't overthink it. Don't start trying to m to the negative 4 times 0, n to the 3 times 0 is 0, n to the 3 is 0. Don't start trying to do the math with it. Just look at it and say, oh, I know what that means. That means it's a 1. All right, next thing. I want you to look at number 25. I understand there will be questions from things we have all covered this chapter from day 55 to now. So that's 11 school days, about 3 weeks, okay? This is not just stuff from today. This is not just stuff from yesterday. Make sure that you go all the way back to day 55 in your stuff. The answers to the review are right here, so you can pause this if you want. They're also in the back of your packet. So if you have questions, first person you should ask is yourself. Notes, that kind of thing. Second person is going to be peers. Third person is going to be teachers. Okay? There's all kinds of people you can get help from. Get help where you can get help, okay? Have a good day, guys.